Hi guys, so it's 5:41 in the morning. It's gonna be an amazing day. Today's not an ordinary day for Where in Pampanga team. See, usually we create contents which has topic that revolves around Pampanga, where to go in Pampanga, but today is different. See, it started last week when we received an invitation from the Department of Tourism Region 3, and they invited us to join them in one of their ecotourism tour in one of the provinces of Region 3. Of course, that's one of the neighboring provinces of Pampanga. Finally reached our first destination. We are here at Orani Bataan, and so behind me is their municipal hall. So it's gonna be a fun-filled day. We have festivals, dancing, a lot of product features, and yeah, we're still excited for the rest of the day. Okay, so we were greeted with these Witness Orani ladies. So right now we're trying Orani's Kalame. Okay, so we're gonna try their tour package. So their vision is to be on the top 5 ecotourism destinations in Central Zone. Paid tourism, farm tourism, ecotourism. So nasa likod kami ng pick up. Let's experience. Okay, so this is our second leg for our Orani Bataan tour. Ang ganda ng happy to find. So kuya natin, IP, is a pastor. Actually, is a pastor. So, kinakanta niya is a gospel song. You know, stick. Sana po yung station natin, madam?
Baby's Farm.
Baby's Farm.
The beat.
Okay, so now it's lunchtime. And we're here at Baby's Farm. We've heard na masarap daw yung budget fight nila dito. So, we're gonna check that out.
Sama ka naman, di naman po nila alam.
Kain na!
I'll make everything alright.
Bataan's package tour. So included dito yung Faith Tour. And this is one of the sites that they will be visiting.
The beat.
Okay, so that's our vlog for today. So again, we would like to thank the municipality of Orani Bataan for inviting us. Thank you so much, Department of Tourism, for inviting us and being part of this launch of a special event for Orani Bataan. So that's it. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Ano pa po? Ay, gusto mo yun. Paano tipon? Gusto! Ano ba dito? Yun. Yun. Sige, big. Ano pa? Malapit. Malapit.